Good morning, welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of learning YouTube learning channel, and by using this channel I'm creating some educational videos, and along with the educational videos I'm creating some puzzles and Vedic maths. So what is the reason you may get it out that what is the reason to watch Vedic maths videos, my Vedic maths videos? Just simple. You want to score 100 out of 100 in maths, just follow Vedic maths which is created in Be Inspired. That is the only one reason you have to observe, because those tips which you are not going to teach in your school, that tips are there. By using that tips you can improve your marks as so nicely, and you'll get full out of full marks. That is the main reason to follow Be Inspired. So please share, like, comment and subscribe my channel. So we are in whole numbers and we are trying to solve the whole numbers with the help of patterns. So this pattern we are going to, which pattern we will follow, we'll see here. 4275 multiplied by 125 can be written as 1000 divided by 8. So 4275 multiplied by 1000, and the total number I have to divide by 8. 4275,000 divided by 8. Of course, we all know that 8 5s are 40. Just reminder is 2. 27. 8 3s are 24. So 27 minus 24 is 3. 35. 8 4s are 32, and carry 3. 30. 8. This 1 0 is there. 8 3s are 24. 60. Okay, I'll show you the original division only. 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 3s are 24. 8 7s are 56. So we all know that 8 5s are 40. 534,375 or 5,34,375. Now this 35 can be written as 500 plus 4 multiplied by 35. 35 into 500 plus 35 multiplied by 4. So we will go for 35 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15 plus carry to 17. 175, and these 2 zeros are left. Those 2 zeros will join here, and we'll find out 35 4s are 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. So 17,500 multiplied by 17,500 plus 140, that is 18,000. I'm sorry, 17,500 plus 140. I thought that is 1,000. 17,640. 17,640. This is the way you can do it. And I'll just do 125 in another procedure also. I will show you down. Let me show you down. Okay, after completion of this pattern I will show you. In another procedure I just done in division method, and one more method also there, like 100 plus 25. We can follow even that, or you can follow this, because pattern in observation, we just saw this pattern observation series. You can think of extending it further. So this method I followed, so that is the reason you can get it. So what is the next question? Study the pattern. 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 12 into 8 plus 2 is equal to 98. So like that they given. See here, just he is increasing number by number, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is just given. And 8 is common, there is no change in 8. And addition of numbers are also increasing. Addition of numbers are increasing, whereas the first number like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these number of digits are increasing here, and whereas the digit is increasing there in the addition. So what is the thing he is asking? Write the next two steps. Can you show the pattern how works? Can you say how the pattern works? First we will write next two steps. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 is common. After 5 we will get 6, and in the answer 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So here how many digits are there? 5 digits are there. Here also you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. That too starting from 9 to reverse of that. So here I have 6 digits. So that is the reason I have to write 6 starting from 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. See here I written 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in the same way we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 multiplied by 8 plus 7. Here how many number of digits? It is showing how many number of digits. So here I have to write 7 digits starting from 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. That's way. In that way, can you say how the pattern works? So this is the way your pattern is going to work. So what the hint they given to us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, and next you have 4 ones, and next 3, and next 2, and next 1. So in the same way you can even do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus just reduce 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reduce 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now reduce one more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 1. Now in the same way for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 1. So like this you can do it. Write the next two steps. We completed those two steps, and then we written this. So I said that I'll do it this one again. 4275 multiplied by 125, because he asked us in distributive property. 4275 multiplied by 125. This one can be written as 4275 multiplied by 100 plus 25, because distributive property is in the form of A into B plus C. So that is the reason we will just go through it. A into B plus A into C. And again 25 can be written as, so this one can be written as 427500, nothing but 4,27,500. And now this one we will again change it. 4275 multiplied by 20 plus 5. So first we will complete this part. First we will try to find out this particular part. 4275 multiplied by 25 is equal to 4275 into 20 plus 5. So 4275 into 20 plus 4275 into 5. So we'll multiply this with this. 4275 into 2, because it is multiplication of tens. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 plus carry 1 15, 2 2s are 4 plus carry 1 5, 2 4s are 8. 8550 and just add 0. 85,500 plus, now 4275 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35 plus carry 2 37. 5 3s are 5 2s are 10 plus carry 3 13. 5 4s are 20 plus carry 1 21. The answer is 21,375. Now we'll just add it here. 85,500 plus 21,375. 5 7 8 6 10. So the answer is 1,06,875. So in place of this box we are going to write that 4,275 multiplied by 125 is equal to 427,500. Nothing but 4,27,500 plus 1,06,875. So we'll add this 427,500 106,875. 5 7 5 plus 8 13. 7 plus 6 13 plus carry 1 14. 2 plus 1 3. 4 plus 1 5. So the answer is 5,34,375. So in that way you can multiply it. Okay, I hope you all understand today's class, and by this we completed chapter 2, whole numbers. So from tomorrow's class we are going to start a new chapter, that is playing with numbers. Be Inspired salutes you to the Corona warriors who are helping for the Corona patients, whereas blood relations only are not at all coming and touching those members. So really hats off to the heroes. Thank you for watching.